Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a responsive contact page with WordPress and WPForms, complete guide step by step clearly. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up a responsive contact page using WordPress and WPForms. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins. Next, select Add New. In the search bar, type WPForms. Once you find WPForms, click on Install Now. After installation, click on Activate. Now, navigate to the WPForms section in your dashboard. Select Add New to create a new form. Choose a template or start from scratch by selecting Blank Form. Give your form a name, like Contact Form. Now, let's add some fields to your form. Drag and drop the single line text field for the name. Next, add an email field for collecting email addresses. Include a paragraph text field for message input. You can also add a drop-down or multiple choice for additional options if needed. Once your fields are set up, go to the Settings tab. Under General, set your form's notification settings. Enter the email address where you want to receive form submissions. Now, click on the Confirmation tab. Choose how you want to respond to users after submission. You can opt for a message or redirect them to another page. Once you've configured your settings, click on Save. Now, it's time to add the form to your Head to Pages in the left menu and click Add New. Title your page Contact Us. In the page editor, click on the plus button to add a block. Search for WPForms and select the WPForms block. Choose the contact form you just created from the drop-down menu. Now, you can customize the page layout if desired. To ensure your page is responsive, check the mobile preview. Once you're satisfied, click on Publish. Your responsive contact page is now live. Visit your site to see the contact page in action. Test the form by filling it out and submitting it. Verify that you received the submission notification in your email. You've successfully set up a responsive contact page with WordPress and WPForms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.